From VOA Learning English, this is the Education Report. Charles LeBeau is a public speaking professor and consultant who teaches in Japan. English is the language of many international conferences, but sometimes audience members do not understand what a speaker is saying. This is why Charles LeBeau says the visual message is important. It can help carry the message when the presenter's words are hard to understand. He says everyone can understand a flow chart. Everyone can see the words on the slide. When you prepare a presentation, you want to show how much you know about a subject. For presentations in English, the best time to make that point is at the beginning. Professor LeBeau gives these 5 tips for academic presentations, like those given at professional conferences. First, understand the difference between a title and a topic. A topic is general, but a title is more specific. Second, provide an image for those who are not experts in your subject. Explain how your research relates to other fields. Third, work on transitions, linking words or phrases as you go from image to image. These should make clear connections between your ideas. Fourth, look at each image from the audience's point of view. What questions might they have about each image? Prepare an extra image that would help explain the most difficult question you expect. And finally, rehearse and time your presentation. At most conferences, there is a time limit. It is disrespectful to take more than your time allowed. Using these tips for improving your presentations in English should help make the process easier. For VOA Learning English, I'm Carolyn Prasuti.